We will guide you through how to install custom fonts in Movavi. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Movavi video editor to open it, and wait until the main workspace is fully loaded. After that, select the Background tab at the top of the interface. Choose Blackboard as an example, then drag and drop it onto the timeline to create a simple background for the text demonstration. Next, click the text menu on the left side. Open the basic category, then find a text preset without animation. Use simple text, then drag and drop it onto the timeline above the background. After that, change the text to install custom fonts for this example, so the tutorial is easier to follow. Next, open the font list and scroll to the beginning under the letter A. As you can see, the 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 font is not available yet because it has not been installed on the computer. Open File Explorer, and for this example, I have already downloaded the 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 font. Open the folder, then double-click the TTF file to open the font preview window. After the font window opens, click the Install button in the top left corner and wait until the installation process is complete. Reopen Movavi Video Editor from the Windows Start menu so the program can detect the newly installed font correctly. Then, open the project that you created and saved earlier. Click the text on the timeline. Then open the Clip Settings panel to access the text formatting options. Click the Font drop-down menu. Then scroll to the fonts that begin with the letter A. As you can see, the 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 font has been added successfully and is now available in the font list. Select the font to apply it to the text. You can now edit the text, such as changing the color to red and applying the new font. Review the text in the preview window.